Hello all, how are you? So today we will discuss about a very hot topic on COVID-19. Actually here you can see COVID-19, my dashboard is there and I have created a website which is live now. My hosting space is on GoDaddy, but I have launched another website here. So for a temporary time, I have purchased this hosting space. When I will purchase permanently, then this will be gone and my website name will be Covid19 Dashboard.com. Okay, so you can see the view of my website here, and this is live now. This is Covid-19 Dashboard, and this dashboard consists of all the data. These are the different countries, and I can change the view from here. All the countries are here. Suppose we want to see the data of our India. Just we have to scroll down. Okay, just a minute. Here it is. I have to click here and the data is going to be refreshed. Now it's deselected, sorry, and 20.92 million. It shows the whole world data. Total cases, active cases in the whole world is 7.39 million. New cases are there, serious cases, right? And if we're talking about, I click on the India. So today's data, today is 13th May, 73.98k are total cases. Active cases are 47.45. New cases are there. So my data is live now, and here I have used two bars which shows total death, active cases also, and here if I zoom here, I use a map which shows active cases. Okay, you can change here also. So how I make this my dashboard and make it live? So let's start the session. So I used a BI, as you can see here, this is a Power BI desktop. I used a Power BI desktop for making my data. So first you have to download the Power BI desktop, right? And after that you have to download the data also from the GitHub. There are lots of sources you can see on the internet, from Wordometer also, but GitHub is a largest source to collect the data. So when you open the GitHub, the websites will be like this. This is the GitHub dashboard, but it's very heavy dashboard. So first I will tell you how to download the data from the GitHub. Okay, first you have to click here, then you can see here GitHub. Here you have to click here, after clicking, as you can see, there are lots of files. Now we have to go second one, see COVID-19 data. After that, COVID-19, we have to go to COVID-19 reports, right? In this web page, you can see there are lots of CSV files are there, but we have to go the latest one. So we have to scroll down the screen, and yes, this is the latest one. So I'll click on this. Processing is going on, we have to wait. Okay, so the new web page is open now, and this web page shows the latest data of our file. As you can see, when I click on the raw data is like this. This is the raw data. Actually we want this one data. This is the raw data. When we want to upload, when we want to make a dashboard of COVID-19, you can make a dashboard in Python, you can make a COVID-19 dashboard in Google Analytics, you can make in BI desktop. So as I have already done. So we have to use this raw data. Okay, this raw data contain of all over the world. So I go to back here. What you have to do, you have to just copy this link and paste or store somewhere. Suppose I copy this link and paste in my Word file here for my reference. Now I go to back to my dashboard. So how I make, when you make your dashboard, first you have to open the BI desktop, and after opening the BI desktop, first you have to register, you have to sign up. After signing up, you have to get the data. Go to get data, and which type of data, you have to click on the text CAV file, and after clicking on that, you have to copy that web link of CSV file which I have already uploaded here. So I can't do it here. Okay, now how I will make my dashboard. You can make your dashboard of any type, like any design, like I make like this. So these are the different types of controls are there. Okay, suppose when you click on the get data dashboard, when you click on the get data, then all the data which is fetched from the GitHub, the data will be uploaded in the Excel sheet like this. Okay, which shows total number of active cases, deaths, new cases, new deaths, serious cases, and so on. So based on this, you can create your dashboard. Suppose I am giving some example. These are the different types of cards I am using. You can take any type of card. Suppose I am using here 10 number of cards. You can use 4 number of cards. You can use 8 cards, anyone. Suppose I click here. Okay, so what is this? I delete it. Okay, here this is the card option. Okay, this is the card. So what was the point here? It was the active cases. I click here, active cases, so it shows the active cases. So similarly here, active cases, new cases, serious condition, tested. So when you select any one, the data will be goes into the card because it's live data. Okay, so I have to just formatting it, I have to design it. So I click it, then I go here just to design it. I have to give some color. Suppose I go to data label, I give it a color matching of it. Okay, and there is no border. So okay, and no border is there, so I have to give border. So actually these are the different tools. When you click on here, so these are the different types of design. You can give title, you can give border, you can give color, anything else. So here when I click, just a minute, suppose border is off, here I on border is on. So you can design based on your priority. Okay, after designing these 10 cards, then I go to the I want to insert some type of chart also. Then I click here. Suppose I insert 2 types of chart. The first chart is this and second chart is this. Here suppose I deleted that chart for your reference. Okay, now I want to insert some chart like this. Okay, and where is the chart? We have to scroll down the screen. Okay, this is my chart. So I have to zoom it, I have to adjust it. So this is my chart, and which type of data I have to show here? suppose, okay, which type of data I have to show here. I have to click on the chart, and suppose I want to show here new cases. Click on the new cases. When I click on the new cases, the chart will be like this. Suppose I remove new cases and I want to show here on this chart active cases. Okay, the chart shows active number of cases, right? So same data as shown here. So you can take any type of chart, and here I am using an Excel sheet. This type of Excel sheet is, I have drag and drop it here, and the whole data which is extract from the GitHub, it shows all the countries, and this is my map. Suppose I delete it. Okay, again I'll show here how to upload my map. I click here and the map is here. Now which thing I want to show here, I have to click that thing. Suppose I want to show, okay, new deaths. Okay, so my map is like this. Now I have to design this map, so I click on this map, then I go to here, and I have to show some data colors. I want to show, suppose in red color. Okay, and I want to design this map something like map style. Suppose I want to like dark. I don't like dark. Okay, I have to change it Arial. Okay, that's good. Okay, Arial, that's good. So it shows the data. So how to launch that application? Now you can design according to your priority, according to your according to your likes. You can take any number of cards, you can take any number of data. Like, now what you have to do, you have to click on publish button. Okay, and when you click publish, it will show you you want to save, then it will be saved. Now what you have to do, the next step, you have to go to your website. The website name is just a minute, like this. You have to open app.powerbi.com, because it's a live link of Power BI. First you have to download Power BI desktop, and after downloading you have to sign up, and which ID you have created in Power BI desktop. After creating your ID, you have to after for launching the website, you have to open the app.powerbi.com, and when you open it, when you sign it with your email ID and password, then same dashboard will be, you can see here. Actually this dashboard, we have to make it live through this. So for this, what you have to do, just we have to do only 2 steps. First you have to click pin a live. Okay, so I have created on 4th of this. You can give any name, any date, pin live. Okay, so when you click on pin the dashboard, it can create a phone view also. You can see your live dashboard in phone also, you can see in desktop view also. Okay, now your dashboard is live. Okay, you can refresh the data also. Suppose I am refreshing the data. Okay, now data is refreshed. Suppose I want to see the data of Angola. Okay, so you can see, suppose I want to see the data of Afghanistan. Okay, I want to see the data of, suppose, Asia. Okay, you can see any number of data here. Now how to make it live? For make it live, I go to my website. Just a minute, I have to focus my camera. I have go to my website, which have already which have already purchased my hosting space here. So what you have to do here, you have to go your customer ID space. Okay, and you have to copy paste the source code here. But where is the source code? Go to again app.power.bi.com, go to file here and click on the embed option. After embedding, it will show you this one, iframe link. You have to copy that link. Okay, and when I copy that link in my website, here this is my website which is in WordPress, and I copy that link in at here, and then I publish it. And when I publish it, after that my website is live now. So thank you all. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe this channel and like it and share it also. Thank you.